Now to the latest on the trial of Kyle Rittenhouse, who was charged with killing 2 men and shooting a third during last year's riots following the police shooting of Jacob Blake.
Lawyers made their opening statements today while prosecutors presented their first witnesses. Tom Durian joins us live from Kenosha with what happened in the courtroom. Tom.
Shannon and Steve, as you know, so much of this case is going to focus around video. There are cell phone cameras everywhere. There are surveillance cameras everywhere. And today the jury ended in the middle of testimony from a man who shot video right here near this intersection.
So let's go to the night of Tuesday night, August 25th, 2020.
Prosecution witness Corey Washington took jurors to the scene of the shootings on August 25th by narrating and answering questions about the live video stream he recorded that night.
I'd find the crowd, figure out where the crowd was, see what they're doing.
There is a mountain of video in this case, and the jurors got their first taste of it during opening statements, where the defense included short clips from videos the jury will see more of during the trial. With the burden of proof, the state started by laying out the case that Rittenhouse did not act in self-defense.
We'll testify regarding the cause of death of Anthony Huber, the gunshot wound to the chest, and you will hear that the shot that killed Joseph Rosenbaum was a shot to the back.
Rittenhouse's attorneys contended he only fired shots because he feared for his life.
Mr. Binger makes a big thing out of Kyle Rittenhouse was the only person who shot somebody that evening. Mr. Rittenhouse was the only person who was chased by Joseph Rosenbaum.
After opening statements, it was time for the state's first witness, Dominic Black, Rittenhouse's friend and the man who faces charges for buying the then 17-year-old Kyle Rittenhouse the high-powered rifle.
Why didn't the defendant take that AR-15 back to Antioch with him?
Because we had an agreement that he wouldn't do that.
What was the reason why?
He was 17.
Black was with Rittenhouse on August 25th, both armed, they said, to protect local businesses. He talked about the moments after the shootings that killed 2 people and injured a third.
You could tell he was just scared.
Did he say anything?
He wasn't really talking. He just said he had to do it. It was self-defense.
Tom, today was the first day of witness testimony. Could we eventually hear from Kyle Rittenhouse himself in the trial?
Yeah, the defense attorneys in their opening statement certainly talked about that. They said you will hear from Mr. Rittenhouse. Now, sometimes that can mean either you're going to hear them on a tape or you're going to hear the defendant in some sort of police interview or lawyer deposition. But they certainly alluded to the fact that you will hear from Kyle Rittenhouse, potentially that he will take the witness stand in his own defense. Tomorrow morning, when the jurors get back into that courtroom, they will hear more about that videotaped evidence. Back to you.
All right, Tom Durian, thanks so much.